Geno mar oganda jo Akamba mar yudo pi maler ochako gore Luanda tok achiedh nade kwako kendo chenro mar gero yawo ma Thwake gima koro miyo chor tieko gedo mare nyaka higa mar 2026. Kane loso kinde mane bengi mar African Development Bank olimo kar gedo ma kamano, jagore migawo mar pi Engineer Samuel Alima wacho ni chenro no koro ibitieki kochopo higa mar 2026. Alima olero ni mano timore kaluwore kod achiedh nade maka kod kacha kamoting'o midhusi mar corona, lwenye kind piny Russia kod Ukraine e kind mamoko. Gedo mar yawo no manoyange higa mar 2018 nonego rume higa mar 2021 kaeto chore nyaka 2025.
The project has taken time to be completed because one thing is that when we opened the site, we found a very weak foundation. So the weak foundation had to be treated well so that it does not leak. Also, the embankment has to be completed and be allowed to settle. To settle, that is to go down and reach settlement before we put the concrete face. Because if you put the concrete face before it settles, then the concrete face will crack.
The Thwake water project is a high national priority, which the Ministry of Water and Irrigation actually approached the National Treasury so that we could seek financing from the African Development Bank, which the bank gladly agreed and we financed. I am happy to hear when the engineer says that by this time next year, maybe, or later, within the year next year, we shall be celebrating the completion of